Hey everyone, just a quick update. Some of you might have noticed that I've changed the channel name from Lagoon Customs to Lagoon Labs, and I wanted to explain why. When I started Lagoon Customs, the focus was mostly on working on my bike and projects in the garage, but over time, I just haven't had as much free time to spend out there wrenching. That doesn't mean I've lost interest in motorbikes. I still love them, but these days, it's way more convenient for me to work from home. And honestly, I've always been super into electronics, 3D printing, Arduino stuff, basically the whole maker side of things. So Lagoon Labs is just me shifting the channel to reflect what I'm actually doing right now and what I'm excited to share. If you're into building, tinkering, and experimenting, you'll feel right at home here. So thanks again for sticking around and being part of this. I'm really looking forward to showing you what's coming next. Peace.